transfer hari. So, first, yes, it is true. Si Sir Joshua has an audible voice and very clear ang iyang pagpuna sa mga words na needed niya i-articulate sa iyang lesson. And also, during the delivery of his lesson, sa presentation niya of the passage or the story, he constantly checked the learner's attentiveness using the formative assessment. Kakamutana siya of questions in between to check if na-follow ba ito ang mga learners. And also, beside the ma'am, that is also a good thing also kay there are certain vocabulary here na medyo difficult for grade 4. Like, akong isa sa pipila, lush, treats. Kaya kung mo yung treats, may food, kung may sa level sa mga bata, okay nga na. So, creeping and rusting also the bushes. So, I also noticed you have math integration, which is very good sa part.